Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Hadassah with another video. So before I get into it, please be sure to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button in the corner down below, and we'll get started. So I have a box, and you can hear the chain rattling around inside the box. I'm super excited about this, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Just got home from work super late, so this is gonna be really quick. Okay, turn into this. They taped it up well. There we go. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So I have a white box. I opened it upside down because all of my information is on the other side, so I don't want you guys to see that. But white box on the inside. Let's see. I can dump this out. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, this makes me sad. Oh, look, y'all. Oh, I don't even know if y'all can see that. Look, it's torn. I'm sad now. I was super excited and now I'm sad. It's a box, it's not the bag, so I guess I shouldn't be too sad, but I wanted to keep the box. Yeah. So anyway, oh, that's that way. This is white, so it's washing out, but you see it a little bit right there. So what I got was the Polene Numero Un Mini. Actually, let me see how you say that. So I'm not 100% sure if this is a French company or if it's a Spanish company, because the bag comes from Spain, but I thought it was a French company. So let's use Google Translate and we'll see if it can tell me how to say this word. Oh, that's not it. Because that's saying it's Norwegian for the Poles. I cannot with Google Translate right now. Yeah, that's not the word. Let me see if I put in French specifically. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Oh.
Polene. Polene.
Polene?
Polene.
Polene. I guess it is Polene.
Polene.
Polene. So I was saying Polene, but
Polene.
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 I guess it's Polene. So what I got was the Polene Numero Un Mini. And it comes with this cute card that doesn't specifically show the bag that you ordered. And this is the tissue paper. Y'all aren't gonna be able to see any of this with it being white like this. So let me tear this open. And then it comes with a super cute dust bag that says Polene. Oh, and I love how it feels. This is really soft. But yeah, this is the dust bag. Super cute. And then, oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm in love. I was already in love when I saw the color online, but I'm really, really in love now. So it's bubble wrapped, so it's super secure. But the chain is out, which is an interesting choice to have the chain out. But I mean, I guess I don't see any damage to it or anything. So let me get this bubble wrap off. You know, I watched a couple of videos on YouTube. There aren't a lot of videos on YouTube. There are some, but not a whole lot, which is another reason why I wanted to film this unboxing, just so if you're looking to order this bag, you know what to expect. But I don't remember seeing anyone take theirs out of bubble wrap. This is really interesting. Okay. Too bad my nephews aren't here. They love bubble wrap. I might get this. No, I might. Yeah. Okay. So this color. Oh my gosh, this color is so gorgeous. I'm just checking out the bag. This is so pretty. Okay, so this is the outside of the bag. I'm not sure if the color is coming across quite true, but it's like a deep burgundy almost. Now that I see it in person, it's kind of the kind of burgundy that has like a purplish kind of hue to it, because you see like my chair in the background is like a royal purple, but it's kind of looking like it has a similar tone in it. But yeah, I think I'll have to take a picture of this in natural light so that you guys can see it, because yeah, I don't think the color is coming across really true. But anyway, okay, so let's see. I was saying it came with care instructions or anything, but anyway, so this is like a suede material, and then the rest of the bag is leather, so it feels like really high quality. And then you open it by pulling it down and opening the flap. On the inside you have some tissue paper, so I'm going to take that out. Okay. And so yeah, it doesn't come with any care instructions or anything. So this is the inside. It's more of a reddish color for this bag. And you see these snap buttons right here. You can actually unsnap these, and that can give you some extra room in the bag if you need it. And then it also, you can just close it up like that. I'll put it down to close it. And it doesn't really, I mean, change the look of the bag because it's still in the same position. But let me put this box to the side. Okay, and there is a slip pocket at the back. So I think you can probably fit a phone in there. Let's see. There we go. Okay, let's see if my phone will fit. Yep. And this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, so it's a really big phone, and it fits, and it's about halfway hanging out, but I mean, it's not going to fall out. This is secure. And so yeah, that's the bag, you guys. Here's the chain. So you can actually you can release this, and like it'll only be in this one, so that'll make the chain a little longer. I'll leave it right here for right now. I'll do another video where I do a what's in my bag and do some mod shots so you can see what it looks like on me, because I know that's one of the things I wanted to see, because I'm a little on the taller side. I'm 5'9.5", and so I really wanted to see what it looks like on a taller girl. I watched this video of one lady who did it, and she posted mod shots, but then she said that she was 4'11", so that's not really going to help me determine whether this bag works for me or not. So yeah, I'll do another video about this bag. If you want to see if anything specific fits in this bag, please leave a comment down below. And yeah, so this is the gorgeous Polene Numero Un Mini. This is so pretty. I'm gonna have to take some pictures in natural light so you guys can see the true color of it, because this is really a super stunning bag, and it's perfect for fall with the suede and then this burgundy color. You can wear it with anything. It's perfect for the season. All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and like I said earlier, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.